Trash and spam emails can quickly pile up on your Gmail account. It may sound okay to leave them, but they'll start to take up some of your storage space after a while. To help you with the tedious task of emptying your trash in Gmail, here are a few ways to go about it. On your computer, access Gmail from your browser. Once you're logged in, click on More from the left-hand options, then scroll down to access your trash folder. To delete one of the emails permanently, simply click on the checkbox beside it, then click on Delete Forever at the top. You can also delete 50 emails each time by clicking on the checkbox icon just beside the refresh button right under the search field. Once you have that box checked, the Delete Forever option will appear. Now, if you don't want to do this cumbersome task, you can just click on the blue Empty Trash Now option at the top. Note that this will only permanently delete all emails that have been in your trash folder for more than 30 days. So if you mistakenly moved an email to your trash recently, you still have the chance to recover it. Once you click the Empty Trash option, you'll also see exactly how many emails will be deleted forever. Pretty neat feature, right? And if you're using the Gmail app on your phone, good news, because you can also empty your trash folder from your mobile device. Just launch the Gmail app, then tap the hamburger icon, or the 3 horizontal lines. From the options, select Spam. If you want to permanently delete only a few of them, then you may long press on the one email to select it, then tap the others that you want to delete. Next, tap the trash icon at the top right. If you are really sure that you want to clean your entire spam folder, tap on the Empty Spam Now button. Confirm your choice by tapping Empty from the prompt. If you want to purge your trash folder too, just navigate to your trash and follow the same steps. Now you can easily clean your Gmail spam and trash folders and free up some storage. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for more guides about all sorts of technology. And check out these videos that we think you'll enjoy.